Hi, I'm Erik Archer Smith. I'm here today to show you ARM retail solutions and how you can connect physical and digital customer journeys, often using existing technology. So the story starts here with the broad integration menu. Here you can see hundreds of different applications, and it's simple to set up integration. It can often be as easy as point and click, and you can see that you simply enter your credentials here, and that will enable you to not only read from a system, but also activate insights back into that same system. This enables us frequently to integrate and improve with existing processes and technologies, not rip and replace. Once integrations have been set up, typically this is where the hardcore data work comes in. And the beauty of this system is it allows data engineers, data scientists, marketers, and business people to all work around a unified data set. So let's go ahead and look at one of these workflows. And in this case, we're looking at asset visibility. And if we drill in, we can see really common types of systems used in our retail clients. So we're going to see checking an inventory database. We're also going to ingest data from security cameras. We're also going to look at who may be available through the Store Associate app. And then, of course, we're going to activate whatever insights we uncover through push notifications, both to the customer for a personalized mobile experience, as well as store associates for cross-sell and upsell. Once all of this has been done, though, typically marketers want to use this to create audiences and activate insights in segments. So let's go ahead and look at the audience section. So here you can see an easy point and click interface. And let's go ahead and click on profiles. And I can see all of my customers. There are people who have visited the website, who belong to a loyalty app perhaps, have probably transacted both in-store and digitally. In this case, we've also enriched this data with social media and advertising so we can understand more about their broader interest categories. That might help me inform a personalized journey where I might uncover something that they like that they haven't yet purchased in the store. In this case, let's look at Bozoma St. John. So here we can see a number of things about her. We can see where she's physically located. We can see some interest categories that have been chosen by the machine learning algorithm. In this case, looks like food and drink, health and fitness. We can also see different campaigns that she's been a part of and what action she's taken because of those campaigns. I'd like to point out that this is not a dashboard. This is simply an omni-channel campaign view. This is a dashboard of the same customer. We integrate with every major BI tool, and if the data exists in one of your systems, we can likely surface that and visualize it in your dashboard of choice. So once we've looked at the audience, now usually we want to create segments and activate them. In this case, let's go ahead and look at how the predictive modeling that's included can help facilitate understanding our customer needs and activating them in various channels. So we'll go ahead and click on predictive scoring. And you can see a number of options here. Customers who are likely to become high value, customers who are likely to come to store. Let's select that one. So what we've done here is we're looking at all of our customers, but we're going to train the predictive model against customers who have come within the last 30 days. And we're going to see if there are any other customers who are behaving in a similar fashion. Now, there are a number of fields here that I can adjust. Even as a semi-technical marketer, I can add in zip code or city or whatever. In this case, let's just go ahead and look at the predictive score. And it's going to spit out some insights for me. So it's going to tell me that of this total audience, there are a number that are likely to come to the store based on their behaviors, some that are possibly likely to come to the store, some that are marginally and unlikely. Now, what this tells me as a marketer is that I should focus my campaigns and budget marketing to these people, but not probably the people who are unlikely to come to the store based on what the model is showing. That might be a waste of dollars. To do that, it's simple. We simply click on New Segment. We'll go ahead and name it. And in this case, let's include the possibly as well. We'll go ahead and create that. We'll just click on the link, and this will open the segmentation menu. Now here I have one last chance to adjust the model, but in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and activate it. And of all those hundreds of sources that you saw in the beginning, many of those can be used as activation sources as well, or activation destinations. And in this case, I've just selected a few of the most common. So here we can see advertising systems, email automation, as well as historical data warehouses and data science tools. So all I would have to do is hit save and activate, and now I can start promoting to get customers to come into my store based on their real world behavior. So now let's see how this works in real life. So in this case, I'm going to be Bozoma St. John. And here I am navigating a typical shopping cart. This might be a mobile app, etc. So let's go ahead and select this item. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add it to my wish list. So here you can see it's in my wish list, but if we go to my shopping cart, you will see that the shopping cart is empty. Now let's go ahead and enter the physical retail location, and you're going to see this item move through the various digital experiences, leveraging my physical actions in the store. So now I'm Bozoma St. John. I walk into the store, and as you can see, I get a notification on my loyalty app welcoming me. I'm going to go ahead and select that same Pepsi from my wish list. I'm also going to grab a Mountain Dew, and I'll add these to my physical shopping cart. Now I get another notification informing me of a better deal on a 1 liter Pepsi. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and add it to my cart. And at the same time, push notification has been sent to the store associate on the Reflexis app, informing them of a potential upsell or cross-sell opportunity. And finally, back on the loyalty app, we can see that my items have moved out of my wish list and into my shopping cart. And from here, we can facilitate any number of experiences like scan and go, cashierless checkout, etc. And that's how ARM Retail Solutions can be used to connect digital and physical customer journeys, often leveraging existing technology.